It's time for What If Cinema. Today, what if Marlon Brando were replaced by Rodney Dangerfield as Vito Corleone?
I went to the police like a good American. These are the boys who were brought to trial. The judge sentenced them to 3 years in prison and suspended the sentence. Suspended the sentence. They went free that very day. Then I said to my wife, for justice, we must go to Don Corleone.
Let me tell you, you think you have problems with your kids. My daughter said she's gonna do the father-daughter dance with the pool guy. I can't remember the last time that you invited me to your house for a cup of coffee, even though my wife is godmother to your only child. Let's be frank here. You never wanted to be my friend. Nobody does. I asked my best friend, why don't we hang out anymore? He said, because your wife broke up with me.
I didn't want to get into trouble.
Trouble? I'll tell you about trouble. When I was born, the doctor took one look at me. He slapped my mother. But you don't ask with respect. No respect at all. You don't offer friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather. I get no respect at all. I tell you, when I was a kid, my parents moved a lot, but I always found them. If you'd come to me in friendship, and the scum that ruined your daughter would be suffering this very day. And that by chance an honest man like yourself should make enemies, then he would become my enemies. Early on, I could tell my parents were my enemies. The bath toys they gave me were a toaster and a radio.
And my friend? Godfather.
I tell you, all I'm looking for is a little respect. Is that too much to ask for?